Hey guys, it's me, Ramadi, and welcome to episode 7 of my stake journey. If you guys have been watching, you'd know that I have invested in properties in Dubai, where I'm currently, alhamdulillah, earning a monthly rental income from them. And guys, before I begin this video, if you are interested in also investing in properties as well, do use the link below so you can sign up to stake and also get 250 AED, which is about £50 to invest in properties for free. So yeah, use that sign up link. And yeah, let's all make money together, inshallah. So yeah guys, today I thought I'd make this video just giving an update on where things are, like available properties are available in stake, and like what to look out for when you're making your first investment. So obviously guys, these are the properties we have right now available on stake. There are currently 4 of them, as you can see here, all different like studios, and some are like a 2-bed. So some of the important things you need to look at is here. So where it says rented, so some of them in the past you may have seen they're unrented, which means stake need to find people to move into the apartment and then they'll start paying rent. Whereas these ones, there's people living there already, so you're kind of guaranteed, your rental income. So it's a lot safer as well. And then another important point you guys need to look at, which is the most important metric to consider before investing, is the projected net yield. So this is the amount that the property percentage will increase in value. I think it's each year or over a period of 5 years. I think it's each year, guys. Don't count me on that. But for example, you can see there's like 5%, 5.66, 5.1. So guys, this 6% property here, this 2-bed in Marina Heights, Dubai Marina, this 6% may actually be the highest projected net yield so far yet to see on stake. So let's just go into here so we can understand just properly what that net yield means. Annual gross net yield of 6%. Yeah, so this means each year the price of this property is projected to increase by 6%. So you can think after 5 years, that's going to be what, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So you're looking at a 30% increase over 5 years, and also monthly rental income. So for example, here we can see the investment. So for example, let's see what the lowest investment we could do is, right guys? So let's say like £1,000, right? So £1,000 investment will get you rental income of £300 over 5 years and a capital appreciation of 300. So when you sell it, that property value should be about 1,300. It's not too bad. And there you have it. So you'd put 1,000 in now, and in 5 years time, that 1,000 will be 1,600. Now some of you guys may think it now, this isn't actually like the fastest way to make money. This is more like a safer option to make money and a more of a long-term view. This isn't like those like trading or like cryptocurrency trading where you can make these types of gains overnight. This is a safer long-term investment and a lot of less risk as well compared to like cryptocurrency and that. So that's why it does take a while to make your money, but obviously it's safer. Hence, it's important to diversify your portfolio. Invest in properties, invest in other sorts of businesses as well. So yeah guys, this is projected net yield 6% each year. This is actually the highest one I've seen so far, and this may tempt me into purchasing some shares in this property. And as you can see, this one newly listed, I saw this one came out yesterday evening and it's already 17% funded. So yeah, once a good property comes out with a high net yield, it goes fast. So if you're interested, you need to get it before it's gone. Buy your shares in it. So yeah, and then obviously annualized return and annual appreciation, that's before like the tax and stuff. So the only metric I consider is the projected net yield, because that's after tax, whereas the projected gross yield is before tax. So yeah, always look at that projected net yield figure whenever making a decision on stake. So obviously right now only 4 properties, but obviously we can see a lot of properties have been funded recently. So for example, 7th October, 1st of November, 31st of October. These are all very recent. Look, 29, 28, 28. So things do go pretty fast here, and you guys got to be like, you need to know which property you want. So that is probably that. And then the other important update you guys need to know is that on stake, there is something called an exit window. And there's 2 exit windows each year where you can sell your shares of your property. Now, there are some important things you need to know. That, for example, the exit window is only available on the mobile app, which is number 1. So you can't be doing this on the computer. And then number two, it's only open twice each year. So as you can see here, the first one is around May time, and the second one is actually coming up. It's actually in 5 days time, on the 7th of November when I'm recording this video. Today's the 2nd, so I'm not sure when I'll upload this, but yeah, it's coming up in 5 days time. So I may make a video just showing what this exit window period looks like on the mobile app. So here we can see, it's only eligible if you held the property for 1 year. So you need to hold that property for 1 year. Look, so for example, you can list your properties for sale after a 1 year lock-in period, but initial transaction costs will reduce your return. So this is like an option if you need the money. So that's why, I know also another thing you need to think about is if you need that money in like the upcoming year, probably don't invest it here and invest somewhere else. But if you are okay with putting money aside for the next couple of years, then go ahead and do that. So some of the benefits of this exit window are like, you can buy shares for properties for cheaper. So for example, you can find properties with discounts of up to 20% on the current market value, which is a nice way if you've already got shares in that same property to buy some more. And you can also obviously sell your shares as well, your stakes, so when you need to sell it, you can. And also, you can choose how much you want to sell it for, whether for the current market value or a 20% discount. So that gives you the flexibility of whether, you really need the money, then you just sell it for like 20% cheaper than the market value to get that money straight away, or you just hold on to it. So yeah, this is what they have every two times a year, which is really nice actually. But obviously you guys got to know about the fees. So there are like transaction costs that you don't get if you've only been holding for 1 year. So guys, I think that's about it for my update. So if you have been watching, you know that alhamdulillah, so far I got 2 months worth of rent, and hopefully going to get my 3rd month's rent this month. And I will potentially be looking into investing into this 2-bed in the Marina Heights Dubai Marina property because of its high projected net yield. And obviously 70% has already been funded in like less than 24 hours. So it's definitely, a popular investment to people. And as mentioned earlier, if you want to sign up for stake as well, do use the link below where you can get 250 AED to invest in any of these properties, all for free as well. So yeah, do that. Click the link below and sign up as well. So yeah, guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. And inshallah, I'll see you soon when I will I'll check up on the exit window, see how it looks. Maybe I'll make a video on that. If not, I'll see you at the end of the month to review my 3rd month's rental review process, or like how much money I've got in the 3rd month. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share, and peace.